Good morning, everybody. So what we will talk about today is the virtual factory and optimization. So this video shows you plant layout design. So we start then, as you saw previously in the roads, from plant layouting. You see on the right-hand side the library manager with classified resources. I'm able then to place my resources inside the building. So it can be a BIM building, IFC format, or you have a connector to Revit. And so we are able to use the real building to instantiate our resource from a library. And you see here how easy we can align and distribute our resources in the production. Also with advanced tools like Snap, Cumulative Snap, we are able to position the resource on the correct location you see here on the table, or change also the references of the objects easily to place them correctly in the rack.
Hi everyone, thank you for joining the webinar. I'll take it forward with the equipment simulation and some good functionalities on factory floor simulation. Let's start with a resource-centric simulation. In a way, what we do when we have to simulate something as a resource level.